Hey guys, it's Mo with Deep Impact Boats, and today we're on this brand new Deep Impact 499 that we have available for sale. This boat is powered by 6 Mercury 500R racing engines with a total of 3,000 horsepower. With this setup, this vessel could reach speeds up to over 85 miles an hour. Here at the leading post, we have 2 pull-out fridges and a nice size countertop that you're able to customize to your likings. This boat has dual row seating with lots of space and plenty of cup holders. Here at the transom, we have a full row of bench seating for up to 5 passengers. At the helm, we have a full Garmin electronics package with dual 27-inch Garmins and a 12-inch screen and a vessel view to monitor your engines. Making our way to the bow, we are greeted with 4 lounge chairs, and up front we have 4 seating with a retractable bow table to entertain your guests. As we make our way to the cabin, we have a small lounge area with a day bed. Over here we have a nice counter with a small microwave and pull-out mini fridge. Also, this vessel has its own independent bathroom for privacy. Well guys, thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of this brand new 499 Deep Impact that we have available. For more information, please give us a call or visit us at deepimpactboats.com. My name is Mo with Deep Impact. See you guys soon.